Good morning, students. Welcome to B.Sc-I Zoology class. So in the last video we were discussing some general characters of Phylum Platyhelminthes. So today, in continuation of that, some other general characteristics we can discuss. Okay. Number 9. Exo and endoskeleton are completely absent. Exo and endoskeleton are completely absent. They are completely absent. No skeletal structures are found in Platyhelminthes. Flatworms do not have either exo or endoskeleton. No supporting structures are present in Platyhelminthes. Therefore, these worms are soft. They are soft. They are not hard. They are soft. Okay. So generally, they are soft. Hard parts consist of cuticle, spines, thorns, hooks, teeth, etc. If at all they have any hard structures, they are nothing but these structures: cuticle, either cuticle or spines are there. Thorns, hooks are there. So in case of tapeworm, hooks are there. Hooks as well as suckers are present. But suckers are not hard structures. Spines or hooks are there. Hooks, teeth are also there. These are the hard structures that are found in Platyhelminthes. Okay. Next, coelomate. True coelom is absent. Coelomate. No coelom is present. No coelom. There is no true body cavity. So what is coelom? Coelom is a body cavity which is internally lined by. It is lined by mesodermal epithelium. Then only it should be referred as coelom. Here, such coelom is absent. Such coelom is lacking. Therefore, they are called coelomates. Digestive system is totally absent. Yes. In some forms of Platyhelminthes, the digestive system is completely absent. So, totally absent in Ursula and tapeworms. Tapeworms do not have the digestive system. They get the food, digested food, from the intestine of the host body directly through their body surface. There is no digestive system. Okay. So, but in other flatworms, it consists of mouth, pharynx, and blind intestine. Anus is absent. Mouth is present. Look here. So this is liver fluid. It has mouth. Mouth is there. Pharynx is there. Intestine is there. Okay. Intestine has not. It is not ended with anus. Anus is absent. Respiratory and circulatory systems are absent. Respiratory system absent, totally absent. So exchange of gases occur through general body surface. Then circulatory system is also lacking. There is no circulatory system. So we people have blood circulatory system, which supplies nutrients and gases to all body cells and remove unwanted excreted substances, carbon dioxide from body cells to the excretory structures, excretory organs. But here, circulatory system is lacking. Then excretory system consists of single or paired protodiaphyria. With flame cells or bulbs. Okay, flame cells. See, these are flame cells or protodiaphyria. You see? So, flame cells. Cell is like this. There is a cavity in the center. Lumen is there. Inside the lumen, the cilia are present. these cilia are vibrating. They are vibrating. They look like flickering of flame. Therefore, they are called as flame cells. Flame cells. The movement of cilia resembles the movement of flame. Movement of flame. Therefore, they are referred as flame cells or photographia. Okay. So these are used for excreting nitrogen-based material from the body. Then, nervous system. Nervous system is more advanced than in coelacanths. In coelacanths, nervous system is diffused. Okay, it is not well developed. But here in the Platyhelminthes, it is a bit more advanced. More advanced than in coelacanths. There is a pair of anterior nerve ganglia. Look here. This is nerve ring. On either side of the nerve ring, laterally, the cerebral ganglia present. Cerebral ganglia there, and two elongated nerve, longitudinal lateral nerve is there. So they are ladder-like. Those nerve ganglia with longitudinal nerve cords which are connected by transverse nerves. This type of nervous system is called ladder type of nervous system. See, these are longitudinal nerve and these are connected. Ladder-like nervous system is present in Platyhelminthes. Okay, so these are few general characters. Then next we shall see some other general characters of phylum. The next character is there are simple sense organs in the form of eye spots. Eye spots are present in some free living forms. Planaria. In planarians, simple eye spots are there. Planarians. So this is planaria. So these are eye spots. They are sensitive to light. Okay. Whereas in parasitic forms, chemo and tango receptors are present. In parasitic forms, chemoreceptors, they are sensitive to chemicals. Tango receptors, tango for touch. They are such receptors are present in parasitic forms. Okay. Next, sexes are united hermaphrodite. Sexes are not separate, hermaphrodite. Both male and female sexes are present in the same individual. So such condition is referred as hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite. With very few exceptions. Few exceptions may be there, but most of them are hermaphrodite, bisexual. Then asexual reproduction by fission occurs in many freshwater herbaria. Here, asexual reproduction is observed by fission. If you cut the planarians into pieces, each piece will develop into new individual. This is a method of asexual reproduction. In most of the other parasitic flatworms, they show sexual reproduction. So cross fertilization in nematodes and self fertilization in cystodes is very common. Cross fertilization in nematodes, liver fluke. There, though the liver flukes are bisexual, they need one more worm for fertilization. Cross fertilization occurs there in the nematodes. Whereas in the cystodes, self-fertilization takes place. Self-fertilization. Cystodes, example, tapeworm. In tapeworm, it is bisexual no doubt, and internal fertilization takes place. Means the self-fertilization occurs. Self-fertilization, no cross-fertilization. It is not necessary to wait for another worm for fertilization. Okay? So there you can see self-fertilization Whereas in tremators, though the worms are bisexual, their cross fertilization is existing. Okay. Next, life cycle is complicated. It is complicated and involves one or more hosts. It is complicated. It involves one or more hosts. In case of Taenia solium, tapeworm, there are two hosts. Primary host is man. Secondary host is pig. Whereas in case of liver fluke, primary host is a sheep. Secondary host is snail. So thus they may have different hosts where they can survive. So thus their life cycle is complicated and involves one or more the host animals. So these are the few general characteristics of phylum Platyhelminthes. With this we have completed the general characters of phylum Platyhelminthes. By this we got general idea about the structure of all flatworms. Okay. So in the next video, we shall discuss the parasitic adaptations seen in flatworms. Okay.